Hey guys, Joe Pisano here during an unusually cold day in Houston, but I'm here to show you 1406 Regalia Court in the heart of Houston, Texas. I love this house, so let's go inside and take a look. So the stone and stucco exterior, I absolutely love. I love this color. These homes are very exclusive. It's in a private gated community. There's only a handful of homes in there, and the location, if you are a lover of all things Houston, you're 15 minutes from downtown, 10 minutes from the Heights, 10 minutes from Memorial City area, 12 minutes from the Galleria. You really couldn't pick a more perfect location. So as we go inside, beautiful front doorway, we can kind of see these, custom stained wood floors and a big open space. If you like big open spaces for either hosting parties or just kind of love that style and that design, man, this is the house for you. You have the fireplace in the perfect spot, kind of feeding into the kitchen, which we'll show you here in a minute. Look how big this is. It is so big and spacious. Those floors are just shining bright. As you can see outside, here's the back patio, little private area where you can do obviously a whole barbecue setup. You can see the connections right there. If you have a pet, this is where the pet can hang out, live. It's covered. We can see kind of behind the house right here if you ever have to get behind the house for anything. And there's obviously water outside with the hose. And look at this dream kitchen. Stainless steel Viking appliances, granite countertops. I mean, this thing has countertops for days. Love the backsplash here. It's just so pretty, so big, and just perfect if you love to cook, if you love to host parties. And I really love that dark brown color of the cabinets. This is literally my house. As you can see, the wine fridge was put in, and then the pantry, kind of a walk-in pantry, deep shelves, love it. And then here's kind of, again, what I would call a mud room, being from New York, but you come inside the garage and you have hooks for jackets, places for shoes, that sort of thing, coats. And here's the oversized 2-car garage, plenty of room for 2 cars and storage with a little back door to go behind the house. Tons of room in here. Here's the downstairs guest bathroom. You could do whatever color you want, but I just love this color that they chose for this bathroom. I kind of like a dark guest bathroom for some reason. And really, really pretty updated modern sinks. As we go upstairs, we're going to take a little peek back down to the first floor. Love the stairs. Again, the coloring, everything is so modern. Everything is so clean in this house. It looks like it was literally built yesterday. So here's the game room at the top of the stairs, kind of overlooks downstairs. Plenty of room for anything that you'd want to do with the game room. And there's a little closet right off the game room. You can put your games, the kids' toys, whatever you would need. We're going to walk into the primary bedroom. You can kind of see that beautiful ceiling that they built into here. This is a really large bedroom, and here we're going to walk into the spa-inspired bath. Really pretty. I mean, this looks like you're in a boutique hotel, especially with the closet. Look at the shower. Room for 2, and I love the colors in this entire house, but I mean, look at this bathroom. It is exquisite. Just amazing. His and her sinks, plenty of drawers for everything that you would need. And look at this closet. It's huge. You got the space for him, the space for her. You have the higher storage, which is so smart that people have started doing that recently. I mean, there's room there. Might as well, use it, right? Love the mirror as well. And again, plenty of space, shoes, clothes, anything that you would need. And we're going to walk into, first of all, we're going to peek in the laundry room, which is upstairs where all the bedrooms are. Pretty decent size. And then here is one of the secondary bedrooms. Great size bedroom. Each bedroom has kind of a pseudo walk-in closet, so plenty of space there as well. And then each bedroom has its own bathroom, full bath. Super cute. And here we are in the final bedroom, similar size as the other one, super clean. And then here is the restroom in that other bedroom. Modern sink. And an even bigger closet to walk into off the restroom. So there you have it, guys. I love this gated community home. It's super clean, and for the right family, it is ready to go. So please reach out if you have any interest. Thanks for watching.